How to fix Owlet Dream Sock not connecting to Wi-Fi. So pretty much a guide on how to fix this. Here you have the main ideas on why this is happening and pretty much on how to fix this. So you can confirm your initial setup steps. So both your phone and the base station must connect to the 2.5 gigahertz network. So setup must be done within 10 feet of the router afterward. Your phone can switch to 5 gigahertz. So look for the temporary outlet Wi-Fi network broadcast by the base. So if you already see it connected, you can pretty much skip that step. And also reset Wi-Fi on the base station. So unplug the base and remove the sock. Hold the button while plugging it back in until it chirps 4 times and the light blinks orange. Then you click the button 3 times quickly. The light should stop, indicating the Wi-Fi network was cleared. For the router 2.4 gigahertz settings, make sure it's pretty much on the channel, which is between 1 to 10. Outlet will recognize channels 11 plus. There you can also modify other Wi-Fi settings. So turn off band steering or ensure separate SSIDs for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, and switch Wi-Fi security to WPA or WPA2-PSK mix. Avoid WPA3 or enterprise modes. You can also check signal and proximity, so keep the base station close to the router during setup, about 3 meters max, and reboot your router modem to fresh network settings. You can also bypass the app's Wi-Fi scan, so some users suggest doing this, connecting via a browser. Connect your phone to the Owlet network and open a browser and go to this. Let's go ahead and put in that on the search and manually select your home SSID, enter password, and press connect. And if it all fails, you can go ahead and retry setup or skip to registration in the app and proceed directly to the registration. But anyways, hopefully one of these main ideas can help you fix the connection to your Owlet. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.